Hey there, welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many ADT alarm system users face, the incessant beeping. Whether it's a low battery warning or a trouble signal, that beeping can be quite annoying. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to stop the ADT alarm from beeping and troubleshoot the common causes. Let's dive in. Section 1. Introduction to ADT alarm beeping. Before we get started, it's important to understand why your ADT alarm might be beeping. Typically, it's either a low battery, a trouble signal, or a communication issue. Knowing the cause will help us find the right solution. Section 2. Low battery beeping. The most common reason for the ADT alarm to beep is a low battery. To stop the beeping, follow these steps. 1. Open the alarm panel using your security code. 2. Locate the battery compartment. 3. Replace the old battery with a new one of the same type. 4. Close the panel and enter your security code to reset the system. Section 3. Trouble signal beeping. If your ADT alarm is beeping due to a trouble signal, here's what you can do. 1. Access the alarm panel using your security code. 2. Check the display for any error messages or trouble codes. 3. Consult your ADT manual or online resources to identify the specific issue. 4. Address the problem as per the instructions provided. Section 4. Communication issue beeping. Sometimes, the beeping may be related to a communication problem. Follow these steps to troubleshoot. 1. Ensure that your ADT system is properly connected to the monitoring center. 2. Check for any loose or damaged wiring. 3. If you have an internet-based system, ensure your internet connection is stable. 4. Contact ADT customer support for assistance if needed. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to stop the ADT alarm from beeping. Whether it's a low battery, trouble signal, or communication issue, these tips should help you resolve the problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on home security and technology. Thanks for watching and stay secure.